Welcome to South Dakota, a land of sweeping plains, rugged landscapes, and storied heritage. Nestled in the heart of the Midwest, South Dakota shares borders with Wyoming, Montana, North Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska, and Iowa. 6 states in total, making it a crossroads of America's heartland. Its story of exploration begins with Louis-Joseph and François Vérandry in 1743, Frenchmen seeking passage to the Pacific. South Dakota later became part of the United States through the Louisiana Purchase in 1803, and the famous Lewis and Clark expedition passed through between 1804 and 1806. Fort Pierre, established in 1817, marked one of the earliest permanent outposts. But expansion came at a cost. Tensions over the Black Hills Gold Rush sparked conflicts with the Sioux, culminating in the tragedy at Wounded Knee in 1890. On November 2, 1889, South Dakota was admitted to the Union as the 40th state. South Dakota spans 77,116 square miles, placing it among the larger states by area. But with fewer than 1 million people, around 998,556 as of 2024, it remains one of America's most sparsely populated states. Yet in its quiet expanses lies strength. The land is fertile, the people resilient, and the possibilities real. Agriculture defines much of daily life here. South Dakota is the second largest producer of sunflower seed and oil in the nation. Grains such as barley, oats, flaxseed, rye, sorghum, and alfalfa thrive in its fields. Livestock farming, local food processing, and agricultural services support small towns and rural communities, keeping traditions alive and economies strong. Landmarks in South Dakota tell its story, from the majestic Mount Rushmore, where 4 presidents gaze over the land, to the ancestral Blood Run site, sacred to Native American tribes. The Badlands, with their dramatic eroded terrain, Jewel Cave's underground beauty, and the quiet heritage of reservations in Yankton and Sisseton are all part of this state's rich tapestry. Choosing to live in South Dakota means embracing wide skies, warm communities, and a connection to land and history. Healthcare reaches every corner, agriculture feeds the nation, and the people live with a sense of pride and purpose. Whether you come for the scenery, the heritage, or the promise of a quieter life, South Dakota will stay with you. Visit usgreencardoffice.com to learn more about immigration to the United States and how you can get in touch with us. And don't forget to check out videos about many other states in our YouTube library. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video.